welcome back to the next mini brands filled fridge unboxing. I'm still wanting eggs, ice, and obviously the things that I'm missing. The donut. I already have the donut, so that's a duplicate. Ooh. Eggplants, duplicate. Another tiramisu, that's a duplicate. More duplicates. Okay, I have the pepperoni. Wait, let me just check it's actually pepperoni. Pepperoni, pineapple ham. I already had the pineapple ham, now I've got the pepperoni. It is the turmeric shot. Another duplicate. I know I've not felt that shape before. Finally! It's the Panda Express. They don't close up, sadly. Let me see on the handy dandy note that it comes with. I'd love more of these IHOP stuff. Here we go. So it'll be the middle one. That's all we got. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll be opening another one soon.